Ribs in the air fryer taste better than you think. They're nice and tender. What more do you need? Now, these ribs are already pre-cut, but preferably if you have the rack, leave it in the rack. But I just season it with some vegeta. You can use whatever seasoning you like. It doesn't really matter what you use because the barbecue sauce is gonna be the main taste. And just let that sit there for, 30 minutes to overnight. Or whenever you're hungry, and then just preheat your air fryer. Give it a little spray just so it doesn't stick on the bottom. You'll be putting it meat side down first. And we'll be cooking it for about 15 minutes at 380 Fahrenheit. And then we'll flip it onto the other side and we'll cook it for another 10 minutes or so. And I never cared about the whole overpacking thing. I'll just stick however many I want in there. And it still turns out fine. They're nicely seasoned in there. Just give them a spray with some oil. And into the air fryer. Again, 380 for 15 minutes. "15 minutes are up, and this is what they look like. We'll have to give them all a flip, and then back in it goes for 10 more minutes. Maybe use metal tongs instead of the silicone ones because not very grippy. Or I just suck with them. But once you have them all flipped, just give them a light spray again and into the air fryer. So they've been cooking for now about 25 minutes. This is where we're at. They're now officially cooked, but we're gonna put on the barbecue sauce, put it back in the air fryer for a little bit just so it caramelizes and becomes nice and like sticky and sweet. And with this, you can just put it onto like 400 and you'll go for about, like 3 minutes or so. And there we have it, they are done. All we gotta do is now just put another light brushing of barbecue sauce, just so it shines a little bit more and just saucy. Now we're ready to plate. I like to eat it with some rice on the side and just sprinkle some green onions just so it pops out a little bit of greenness. And there you have it, ribs in the air fryer. Turned out a lot better than you'd think. Just give it some time to cool off because I did almost burn myself. But don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Peace out.